Facebook Pixel is a code snippet from Meta that tracks user activity on your Shopify store, helping measure ad performance and optimize campaigns. To install, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Online Store, then Preferences. Locate the Facebook Pixel section and paste your Pixel ID found in your Meta Business Manager. Enable enhanced tracking for events like purchase and add to cart to capture valuable conversion data. This native integration makes setup fast and straightforward, usually under 10 minutes. Once installed, Facebook Pixel automatically tracks page view events, capturing when visitors land on your site. This foundational event helps measure overall site traffic and engagement. Ensure key events like add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase are accurately firing. Use Meta's Pixel Helper browser extension to verify tracking. Use track data to build custom audiences for retargeting visitors who showed interest. Create lookalike audiences to reach similar users and expand your reach. Monitor your Facebook Ads Manager for insights on campaign performance, including conversion rates and audience behavior. Recent updates include server-side tracking for more reliable data collection and enhanced privacy compliance through consent-based tracking. Regularly analyze your Pixel data to A/B test ad creatives, refine your targeting, and boost your conversion rates. This can improve your ROI by 20 to 50%.